सुनील परवेश की जोड़ी, विरोधी रेडर्स की कमर थोड़ी. We've been hearing this a lot, and we're glad that we can actually get Sunil and Parvesh back together. ये जो reunion है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है हमारे लिए, because I think जब सुनील को हमने साइन किया तो हमने सुनील को भी फ़ोन किया, और वैसे भी हमारे पास दो बहुत अच्छे लेफ़्ट कवर्स है, सनी और मुकिलन. आई थिंक जब दो खिलाड़ी पूरे साल एक साथ खेलते हैं तो वो दो जोड़ी है अगर बन सकते हैं, then it's of course very beneficial for the team. So we're very very happy that we've got Sunil and Parvesh back together. I think when we watch them, हम इंडिया एशियन गेम्स में वो जो परफॉर्मेंस था उसका मेमोरी हमारे पास है. We have memories of them taking Gujarat to the final together, playing together a long time ago. I think last time जब वो खेलते थे एक साथ, वो खेले थे I think season 7 में. So I think it's a long time. I think a lot of people have waited for them to play together. I think both of them have waited for a long time to play together again at PKL. और हमने थोड़ा budget रखा था for Parvesh, and I think we had him within that budget. So very very happy. Parvesh, Sunil, welcome to Mumbai. We hope that it's a long partnership with us as well. But to all the fans as well, you guys were all asking for Sunil and Parvesh to be reunited. वो भी हो चुके हैं. So I think a lot of the pieces have come together. Our defense has really been strong. Amir Gurbhani adds a lot of strength to the right corner alongside Bittu and also Rinku. We have great covers in Gokulakannan and Sunil. We have great left covers in this man Sunny. We've got Mukilan, and now of course Parvesh Banswal. We've got three outstanding left corners as well. Sombir, Deepak Kundu. We also have Lokesh Gosalia. So I think our job is done in many ways for our defense. We still have a few pieces left to fill, and hopefully we can add a bit of raiding might as well. There's a lot of options. C और D category में बहुत सारे talented raiders हैं. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's finish the auction strong. But thank you for everyone for all their support as well. See you soon.